A very good morning to all the little stars of BIKH. Welcome to Prep 1 class. Hope you enjoyed your holidays, the Christmas vacation, and welcome back to the new session. Okay, in this session we are going to do a literacy subject and we are going to learn a new letter K. And before learning the letter K, we will have a small revision about the previous letters, that is from A to J. Okay. Yes, now we will revise how to write A to J and start a new letter. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you have learned 10 letters, that is from A to J. So let's revise today. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says A. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says E. J says J. Okay. So these were the letters you had learnt in the previous session. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So you had learnt 10 letters. After J, the next letter is K. So today in this class you will be learning how to write K. Okay. Let's start, children. Standing line. Okay. For writing K, you need to write a standing line. Keep your pencil on this red line. Make a slanting line on the blue line and down slanting line on the blue line. Okay. So this is how you write K. Standing line. Then keep your pencil on the red line. Then make a slanting line to the blue line. And from this blue line, make a slanting line to the down blue line. This is how you write K. Standing line, one slanting line, two slanting line. This is K. And K says K. K says K. Okay. Slanting line, slanting line. Standing line. Okay. Standing line, one slanting line, two slanting line. So this is how you write K. Okay. So let's start again. Standing line, one slanting line, two slanting line. So this is how you write K. Standing line, one slanting line, two slanting line. So this is K. Okay. And let us learn the sound of K. K says K. K says K. K says K. Okay. And let us learn some more objects of K. Okay. So some of the objects written on the board. K for kite. K for kettle. Kettle is a teapot where hot tea is served in this kettle. K for kite. K for kettle. K for key. K for kiwi fruit. Okay, this is kiwi fruit. And K for king. These are the objects for K. We'll repeat once again. Repeat after me, children. K for kite. 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 K for kettle. 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 K for key. 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 K for kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. And K for king. King andre Raja. King. 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 Okay. And let us see some objects in your book. Okay. So your Viva Smart Learners book number 4. Page number 14. You have letter K. Okay. So this is how you write K. Standing line, one slanting line and two slanting line. Okay, this is how you write K. So take a yellow crayon and trace the dotted lines to form the K. And let us see the objects for K. Okay, K for king, K for key, K for key, K for king. Repeat after me, children. K for key, key, key. K for king, 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 king. K for kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo is a animal. Okay. K for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K for kiwi fruit, kiwi fruit, kiwi fruit. K for kite, 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 kite. K for kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. So this is your activity. Trace the dotted lines using yellow crayon to form the K. And in page number 16 you have to do coloring. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo is usually brown in color or dark yellow in color. Okay, so K for kangaroo. Color this with brown or dark yellow. Okay, next, color the kettle, color the kettle.